In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Miami. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to complete your payment securely without any confusion. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Miami-Dade Clerk of Courts Traffic Online system. Make sure you're on the genuine government site before entering any personal details. You can reach the payment portal directly, or you can go to the main Miami-Dade Clerk of Courts website and navigate to the traffic section to find the online system from there. Having your ticket handy will make this faster. Once you're on the traffic online system, use the search feature to locate your case. You can look it up by your citation or ticket number if you have it. If not, you can search using your driver's license number or by entering your name along with your date of birth. Type the information carefully, exactly as it appears on your ticket or on your license, and submit the search. The system will display your violation details. Take a moment to review everything shown on the screen. You should see the total ticket amount, the due date, and a brief description of the violation. You'll also see your available options, which typically include paying the ticket, electing traffic school, or requesting a hearing. It's important to verify the due date now so you don't risk late fees or additional penalties. If you plan to take traffic school or request a hearing, those choices are visible here. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on paying the ticket online. Select the pay ticket option to proceed. You'll be taken to a secure payment page. Enter your payment details using a debit or credit card. The system usually accepts major cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Make sure the billing address matches your card's records and double check the amount before you submit. If you see a small convenience fee, that's a common online processing charge. After you complete the payment, wait for the confirmation screen to load. Don't close the window too quickly. Save your receipt right away by downloading the confirmation or taking a clear screenshot. Keep this for your records in case you need proof of payment later, especially if there are any questions about your case status. That's it. Go to the official Miami-Dade traffic portal, find your ticket, review the details, choose pay ticket, complete the card payment, and save your receipt. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be done in just a few minutes.